Hey players, let's talk about the diddler. So as we all know, honey, Diddy was in court today, honey, and his mother and his children did join him. Now, outside of the courtroom, there was a little conflama, a little drama going on, honey, because someone decided to heckle Janice Combs as she was going into the courtroom. Someone said, "Your son is a predator and he deserves to be locked up." Now, Miss Combs nor the children responded to the heckler. They just scurried on into the courtroom, honey. But there was about 100 media out there, baby. It was a lot of people out there throwing questions at them, but they did not answer any of them. Now, according to reporting, because we all know this is a federal case, so there are not any cameras in the courtroom. When Diddy arrived in the courtroom, he did smile at his mother and his children, and then he took his seat. Now, today's hearing was not about Diddy's bond. As we all know, and you may have heard, Diddy has filed another appeal so he can be released on bond, but today's hearing was not about that. So he's going to remain in the clink. Another court is considering that case, but we do have some news, honey, because the judge did set a trial date for May 5th, 2025. So it's going to be very interesting to see if this happens, because the Fed signaled today that they are doing some things regarding a superseding indictment. So Diddy may be charged with some more stuff, and then also there may be some other people that may be charged. Honey, evidence has changed hands. The discovery is underway. According to reporting, the feds have possession of about 96 devices that Diddy owns. So they did signal today that they may be filing a superseding indictment. So it's going to be very interesting to see if this trial actually goes on May 5th, 2025. Now, I know that Diddy's attorneys are wanting to get this out of the way, especially since Diddy remains behind bars and is likely going to remain behind bars until his trial date. Now, there was some other conflama that went on. Apparently, the defense said on TMZ that the prosecution was racially, like this whole case was racially motivated or something like that. And the feds ended up using that against them today in their arguments. Apparently, the defense is trying to say that the feds are guilty of leaking evidence, meaning that Cassie video. And the feds are saying, hey, we're not guilty of anything. We deny that claim, but we're going to say that you're guilty of leaking and doing things in the media because you did this interview with TMZ where you said that this is a racially motivated case, and it's definitely not. So the feds and the defense, they're really going back and forth here. It's going to be very interesting to see how it plays out. But as of right now, Diddy's trial date is set for May 5th, 2025, and he is currently sitting behind bars while his bail is still being considered by another court. So, and again, the feds signaled that they're working on a superseding indictment. So it's going to be very interesting to see how it plays out. You guys put your thoughts in the comments regarding the diddler. This is Double D Mother reporting once again for the Black Accurate News.